guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do the tent as we said in the last video. Right now we're gonna draw the drawing, so stay tuned at the end of the final product of the tent.
So right now we're gonna start drawing the tent, how we want it to come out, because we already took measures from downstairs in the space that we're gonna build the biggest tent, and yeah, we'll keep you guys posted. So this is basically how we're gonna make the tent. It's gonna be 4 feet tall on each side. So make sure that you get the right size. I mean, depending on how tall you want to make the tent. And then the width is 4 feet, and then the length is 6 feet tall. Now we gotta head to Home Depot and buy all the equipment that we need. So we'll keep you guys posted, okay? Later. So we just got back from Home Depot. We have
back from Home Depot, and we have all the equipment we need. We got the picture over there. We got some nails, and we got these clips.
So yeah, we took a trip to Home Depot, and we purchased this wood. It's only like $1 a piece, and each piece it's about 8 feet long. So we got them cut at Home Depot as well. We told them the measurements that we wanted. So we got some 4 pieces left over that we're gonna use in the corners to give a little more support to the tent. We have some screws and these clips that we got for to secure the
and we're gonna do the tent like all around this area.
Yeah, and we're probably gonna build it around the LOL house. This is our basement, and we'll see how it turns out to be. Keep posted.
We're gonna do it like around this area.
Here's the tent so far. Been working on this for not too long. Look, inside she has the LOL house in there.
So, there's one more link to go, and then we're gonna put all the pillows in. Then we're gonna start like putting things in here. So, and then we're gonna put like a tent another tent there.
Okay guys, so we have finished the tent and now it's
Midnight.
all finished. I see something moving here. What the heck?
What's that?
What the heck is that? Welcome to our tent, Polly. You guys care for a second. Now show him your tent.
I'll show you around. I'll take the
Okay,
camera.
go ahead.
Take the camera.
I'll record you for now, and then you take the camera when you go away.
Okay.
Here.
So.
Give me the flashlight actually.
So. So first I put this blanket here. So at night I can cover itself. Here's the normal blanket. Because under it, here's the floor. Here's Polly. Here's like a pillow. Here's what's this called?
Like a neck pillow.
Yeah, like a neck travel pillow. Here's a teddy. Here's a unicorn. 2 unicorns. Here's another pillow.
They're called poopsies, if you didn't know.
And here's another pillow. Here is Stuffy. And here is the LOL house.
Show them the pool that it has at the bottom.
And here is the pool. Oh.
You really can't pull it out right now because there's too many blankets, but yeah.
Yeah.
That's what there is.
And here's another pillow.
And you have
And
second tent.
And here is the secret
And here's
room.
Polly.
Yeah. She's like, how the heck do I get in here? Okay, so here's a secret room. I only know the password for in here. So, come in here. Here's like a hallway, I guess. And then I'm gonna open this door. And then here's like a mat here. And then when I come all the way in, here's like the inside and here's Polly. And if I want to get out, just go here. And then here's the rest of the stuff and here's the mat again. So, yeah. I'm gonna come back to the world. What's up?
What's going on?
What's going on?
So yeah guys, that's it for today.
Have a nice
Thanks for
day.
watching.
Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell so you can get notified whenever we post a new video. So yes, peace out.